Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today we're cooking on ice. It's a really cold day and just gonna check the temperature of the table. 0. Air temperature's -1.5. -19, is that right? Today I'm going to be cooking a big salami pizza. Let's go make it. If you were struggling to make a pizza to the size of 15 inches, then the best tool that I use for that is the mini pizza roller. If you have difficulties getting the pizza to stretch out to the size you want, particularly the bigger sizes like this pizza. So I love this tool and I would highly recommend it if you were starting off making pizza and you want to make big pizza. So the heat of the oven has melted away a lot of the ice there. It's not hot or anything, it's just enough to, I'll just show you the temperature actually of the table where it's melted. So at the front it's, so let's check the wiggle of this pizza. This is as big as I can make it because it fits on my peel. I can't go any bigger than this. About 15, I think it's 15 inches, so can't go bigger than that. Let's get this in. And this oven is on full flame today. And I'm using Ooni sourdough. And I'm turning with a normal peel, a square peel, because I don't have one big enough. I don't have a big enough turning like a round one, and I've only got one hand. But it kind of works, I'm getting used to it. It's a bit awkward. Kind of gets the job done. like it? Ooh, that's done. Very nice. Very tasty. The Ooni Koda 16 has really done a good job with this. Cooked it very quickly, and there's no messing either. You've got to keep an eye on cooking full flame in that oven, because it will cook it really fast, especially if you made a big pizza. You just cannot take your eyes off that pizza when you're cooking, because it'll be done before you know it. For big pizzas like this, little movements like that, just grabbing my big peel, stop it from the kind of just got a slight edge there. I didn't get it on properly, but it doesn't matter. It happens. As long as it comes off when I want to do my first turn. Keeping a good eye on the back there. Need to turn quickly. Whoa. That burnt. Okay, that burnt. Right, this is to show you that it still doesn't go to plan, and I don't know why, but this looks good, but the topping's burnt there, and They didn't burn on that side. I've never had that before. My toppings have burnt like that in an oven. And just checking this out. It's always good to check out why things happened. I mean, obviously this isn't my dough, so I'm not used to this dough. It does brown up really fast. The base is nice, but yeah, only half of that one's edible. What a shame. Not burnt. So I hope you enjoyed this vid. Thank you for watching. Take care. Hope you're okay. And I'll see you soon. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.